Uh-oh. Okay. Where are you going? Yeah, right back at you. You're stuck in traffic. You're stuck in traffic with everybody else.
Give me one minute.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thanks for coughing on me, lady. God, man, come on. Could you cover your mouth when you cough next time, please? How do you have someone right in front of you and you're busy coughing on them? Three. Right. No, they just threw me off the line. Perfect. Same disappointing crap, different day. $4. Great.
Right, so because that's what you were doing.
So let me understand this one. So we grab you, then you turn around.
Yeah, hello.
I don't. Giancarlo?
I'll see everybody.
All right. So, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Usually that bright light helps to chase people away. This light that I got on my helmet, you have to have situational awareness. Like I was untying my bike, just like that guy standing to my left. He just walks up and stands there. What do? I turn to my side while I'm unlocking my bike so my peripheral vision can keep an eye on him. Gotta have situational awareness. 2. You know how much this shit aggravates me. They can't just move it out of the way. Let's leave it right in the middle. Nice driving. Self-important. Hey, I'm going around you. Yep. Big hurry to go nowhere. Hello, dog. Why do they stop in the middle of the... Okay, I'm gonna just double park right here. What the hell is this? Jellyfish powders go. Let's see if you stop for me. Hi! Do you look for traffic first? Charlie Edward Sam 6578. Stupid. Yep. You're gonna end up running over somebody, I'm telling you. These people, I'm telling you. What are you doing? Go. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. You just can't drive. Welcome to the shit show. Everyone has a big, giant, monstrous, oversized, overpriced SUV. Look at this perfect parking here. Nice parking, and there's no one in the car. They can't just pull in. They're too lazy to turn the steering wheel. It's pathetic. You gotta look before crossing the street. You gotta look before crossing the street. It's a good thing it wasn't a car coming. They don't teach these kids not to run across the street. They don't teach them.
Get a horn on those.
Leave it right here and walk off, right? That's okay. If I don't do it, no one will. Now people could actually walk on the sidewalk now. Oh boy. They can't park it parallel with the, with the wall. Look at this. What kind of idiot does this? Incredibly brain-dumb delivery drivers. A lot of them aren't too smart. They leave the package right in front of someone's storm door, so when they open it, they knock over the food, Idiots. What the hell are you doing? It's a good place to make a U-turn. It's always a BMW. Get out of here as quickly as possible. Yeah, boy. Now, does no one know how to read when it says don't walk and there's cars coming at you? You just keep walking anyway. He's double parked. Look out. Don't go right up under it. Why do people do that? He's double parked. Don't you see the blinkers on? Go around him. Why are you right up under him? You gotta give people distance. Man. You're okay. These people. Don't you see what his blinkers on? You're too busy looking at your phone.